Hi, everyone. This is John, your president and trichologist at Freedom Clinic in Toronto. And today I just want to go over the services that we offer for hair loss because it seems that not everybody is aware of everything that we do here. And we do just about everything that can be done for hair loss. Everything from initial analysis to total cosmetic hair makeovers. So I'll go through each area that we do and just talk a little bit about that for you. So if you go to our website, freedomclinictoronto.com, and look across the top menu, you'll see all the services that we have to offer. Now, I want to concentrate here on our hair loss solutions. So if you go to under the hair loss solutions menu, you'll see Toronto hair transplants. You can click on there and read about all the information about transplanting. So what we do here in Toronto or at Freedom Clinic is we'll do your complete consultation and explain exactly how the procedure works. And then we'll book an appointment with the physician to get your transplant started if you're ready to go that far. And we also do hair transplant planning for hair transplants in Turkey. Now, everybody knows you can save a lot of money if you travel to Turkey and have a nice vacation in Istanbul and have your hair transplant done over there. So what we do here is we do some very advanced planning. We'll analyze your donor area, figure out exactly how many grafts you can get for your transplant and how much you'll need, and we'll plan out the entire procedure. All that information gets sent to Turkey to the physicians. They'll approve the plan, and then we'll set up your date. Another hair loss solution we offer is something called scalp micropigmentation, or SMP. Many people are aware of this. We've done hundreds of procedures in our clinic. And what micropigmentation is, it's a way of simulating a shaved head. So if a person has a partially baldness on the top and they want to look where they have a complete full head of hair that's shaved, micropigmentation can achieve this perfectly. We do a very, all types of people, all different size of areas, big and small, anything can be accommodated. So this is a really popular procedure that we do here in the clinic as well. So one of the other very important things we do here at Freedom for advanced hair loss solutions for people who want an instant solution to their hair loss, and that would be non-surgical hair systems. So non-surgical hair systems come in a lot of different shapes and sizes. You can go under our hair loss solutions menu and look at non-surgical hair systems, or also the hair skin non-surgical hair replacement system. So these are very advanced men's hair systems, the hair skin ones. So you can look through the website and learn a little bit more about that. Very nice modern hairstyles, very high quality hair systems. Not everybody has these. And then of course we also do women's non-surgical hair systems, which may include wigs for chemotherapy or for extensive hair loss. We also do toppers and customized hair systems for various stages of women's hair loss as well. So whatever type of hair loss you have, we have a hair system solution that will work, and we do just about everything here. So come in if you're looking at hair systems, wigs, toppers, we do it all here. Another interesting thing about scalp micropigmentation is it can be used for cases of thinning hair. So if you look at this picture here, you can see that the person had this very thin crown. By performing micropigmentation in the crown, it makes it look much fuller. This can also be used for women with thinning hair as well. As you can see in the before picture here, she has very thin hair in the front, and then after the micropigmentation, it's much disguised. Some of the medical procedures we offer are PRP and exosomes, and there's lots of information on our website regarding these services. So exosomes is an advancement of PRP. And the exosomes we use here at Freedom are injectable autologous exosomes. These are exosomes that are derived from your own PRP. These aren't plant exosomes or animal exosomes. These are real exosomes that come from your body that will work much better at stimulating your stem cells to improve your hair growth. Another service that we offer with our registered nurses and nurse practitioner is vitamin IV therapy. Now, vitamin drips can be used for various conditions, and you can read about them on our website under the vitamin IV therapy menu area. And you'll see, you can read about the benefits, and you'll see about the different types of drips that we offer. And of course, there is a hair loss drip here. So people who want to make sure that their vitamins are boosted to promote the best type of hair growth through nutrition, this is a great way to do it with the IV drips. So you can read about the different types of IV drips. We can also customize them based on your blood test results. And then we can also, of course, if we need vitamin D and B12 additional services, we can do those as well. So vitamin drips are a great way to really make sure your nutrition is at its best. And of course, our trichological services, so important. This is where we often start with people the first time they come into clinic. We'll need to do a trichological analysis, looking in depth at your scalp and your hair and hair follicles, and also checking the condition of your scalp for different types of conditions like psoriasis or seborrheic dermatitis. If you look on the website, you'll find all the information about how we do our trichological analysis, some of the treatments that we offer, and you can read a bit about myself, the certified trichologist here at Freedom Clinic. Another important factor is, the types of hair loss there are. This is why analysis is so important. There are hundreds, well, I shouldn't say hundreds, but dozens of different types of hair loss. Many places you'll read about hair loss, you'll only see one or two or three types, but really there's all kinds. Androgenetic alopecia, male pattern hair loss, female pattern. These are the common ones everyone's aware of. Alopecia areata, again, very common. But the more advanced type of alopecias, the scarring alopecias, which so many people get referred thinking they have androgenetic hair loss, and it's a type of scarring alopecia. And you can read about these different types of hair loss here in our clinic. So we know how to diagnose these people. We know how to get to the bottom of your hair loss issue. And we have the solution for you, whether it's going to be a treatment, a medical treatment. If we have to do biopsies, we can do that. We can run your blood tests. And of course, we can set you up with hair transplants, hair systems, and just about any treatment protocol you may require. So book your appointment at Freedom Clinic, no matter what type of hair loss condition you have or what type of hair replacement system you're looking for. We do it.